What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video we're actually going to be working on my truck here. I use this thing as a shop truck for a few years now. It's been a very good truck. These Tundras, they're just dumb reliable. But this thing has actually been in the family for about 15 years and we've put probably 150,000 miles on it or somewhere close to that, and the rear brakes, we've never serviced them, not once. So let's get this thing in the shop and we'll try to get these brakes off. I bought all new drums, hardware sets, you know, shoes, everything's gonna be replaced. So let's take them off and see what that looks like. Alright, let's try this. Well, that's interesting. These brake shoes, like I said, have a minimum 140,000 miles on them. I'm pretty sure they're original. The truck right now, I think so this truck has 170,000 miles on it. I'm pretty sure all this brake, the shoes, everything's original back here, including the drums. Now, when I went in here, I was expecting to have to rip this off with a slide hammer or some sort of puller, but I just tapped it and it came right out. Usually with drum brakes, it develops an edge over here that you can't get the drum off past the shoe, and it gets stuck and you end up just ripping everything out. These, however, did not. These old Toyotas, man, they are incredible. So I'm just gonna return everything I bought. Everything looks like it's incredible. Like I've done Chevys where the brake shoes haven't worn out, but the actual braking surface just delaminated from the metal and it just spun in there and that's it. You know, you got to replace everything. These are just, like I said, just incredible. So yeah guys, never mind on the brake service. These pads, these shoes still have a ton of life left in them. There's no point to go in here and replace them. Nothing's falling off. I was hearing a little bit of noise from the back here, and I knew that nobody had replaced these in a long time. So that's why I went in here thinking I'm gonna have to replace everything. I was actually worried that these are so worn and everything's falling apart in here that these cylinders are gonna fall out and, you know, my brake fluid is gonna leak out, I'm gonna lose brakes. But yeah, that's not the case. Got some brand new Bilsteins in here too. Everything's fluid filmed, very nice. Okay, I'm gonna put this drum brake back. I'm gonna put this drum back on and it's gonna go for another 100,000 miles at this rate. Well, here's all the stuff that I had bought for it. Shoes, all the hardware, and the 2 drums. But this will probably last, if I put all this new in, it'll probably last as long as the old stuff in here, because this isn't built the same way as you know, the OEM Toyota stuff is. So I'm just gonna end up returning all this and just This thing is just nuts, guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. We got plenty of projects as well as rebuilds and stuff like this. I'm also gonna make it to a bunch of events this summer and I'm gonna be filming those. So subscribe, like these videos, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.